All right, guys. Good day and welcome. Today we have this question from JAM 1995, question 18, where we've been asked to simplify x squared minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. So quickly we dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Then we know the following that one, our numerator is a difference of two squares expression. That is, it involves situation where we have x squared minus y squared is equal to bracket open x minus y bracket close bracket open x plus y bracket close. While at our denominator we have a polynomial of 10 degrees. Hence, to solve for that, we search for a linear factor of our denominator, which is x squared plus 2x, x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. We search for a linear factor which gives us 0 as a reminder on division. Now this linear factor is x minus 1 equals 0. And this is the same thing as x equal to 1. That is if we decide to take minus 1 to the other side of the equal to. Now we impute the value of x here, which is 1, into our denominator to actually confirm if our linear factor is correct. Now we'll copy out our denominator again. We have x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. Now we impute 1 into x, so we have brackets open, 1 bracket close raised to power 3 plus 2 bracket open 1 bracket close raised to power 2 minus 1 minus 2. Now this is equal to 1 raised to power 3 gives us 1 plus we have 2, and 1 raised to power 2 gives us 1. 2 times 1 is 2. We have minus 1 minus 2. So 1 plus 2 gives us 3, minus 1 gives us 2, minus 2 gives us 0. Now this confirms that our linear factor is correct. Having this at the back of our mind, we divide x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 by x minus 1. This is so we have a simple quadratic equation which is much easier to work with. Hence, this becomes right. We have x minus 1, all right, x minus 1, and we copy out our denominator, which is x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. Now we look for what would multiply x and gives us x raised to power 3. That's x raised to power 2. X raised to power 2 times x gives us x raised to power 3. Now minus 1 times x raised to power 2 gives us minus x raised to power 2. Subtract. Now we have x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 3. This cancels out. Now we have minus times minus gives us plus. So we'll have plus 2x squared plus x squared. This gives us 3x squared. We bring down minus x, we bring down minus 2. Now we look for what multiply x and gives us gives us 3x raised to power 2. This in turn is plus 3x. Now plus 3x times x gives us 3x raised to power 2. Minus 1 times plus 3x gives us minus 3x, right? Minus, all right, 3x squared minus 3x squared. This cancels out. Now we have minus, minus times minus gives us plus 3x. So we have minus x plus 3x. This gives us 2x. Bring down minus 2. We in turn look for what multiplies x to give us a 2x. This in turn is plus 2. Now plus 2 times x gives us 2x, minus 2 times plus 2 gives us minus 2, minus, right? Okay. 2x minus 2x, this cancels out. We have 0. Minus times minus gives us plus, so we have minus 2 plus 2 gives us 0 also. Therefore, we have it that x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to, bracket open, x raised to power 2 plus 3x plus 2, bracket close, bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close. So we introduce these into our denominator. Hence, we have it that x raised to power 2 minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. All right. These all equal to x raised to power 2 minus 1 squared. 1 squared, remember we said the other time that our numerator is a difference of 2 squared, and by squaring 1 we've committed no offense mathematically. So we have these now at our denominator, bracket open, x squared plus 3x plus 2, bracket close, bracket x minus 1, bracket close. We continue with our solving, writing equal to. Now we have our numerator becomes bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close, bracket open, x plus 1, bracket close, all divided by, all right. Now we factorize what we have at our denominator, the first bracket at our denominator. So we first of all write bracket open, x squared, all right, x squared. Now we look for factors of plus 2 that when added together gives us plus 3x, and these factors are plus 2 plus 1 because 2 times 1 gives us 2, while 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Hence we have plus 2x plus x plus 2, bracket close, bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close. This in turn is equal to bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close, bracket open, x plus 1, bracket close, all divided by, all right, we factorize out x from x squared plus 2x, so we have x bracket open, x plus 2, bracket close. That is having factor out x. We're left with plus x plus 2. We factor out plus 1. And we have x plus 2, bracket close, bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close. And this is equal to bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close, bracket open, x plus 1, bracket close, all divided by bracket open, x plus 2, bracket close, bracket open, x plus 1, bracket close, bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close. Now we have x minus 1 at our numerator. This cancels out, and we have x minus 1 cancelling out at our denominator. We have x plus 1 at our numerator, and it cancels out x plus 1 at our denominator. So we're left with 1 divided by bracket open, x plus 2, bracket close as our final answer. Thank you.